while we're on that topic, I've got a question that just came in. And this specific importer was asking why their shipments are all of a sudden getting stopped when their origin country is Vietnam.
Okay. Right now, the reason that those are most likely being stopped is because of the Section 301 tariffs. Because after the implementation of Section 301, which for any of you who don't know is it's the additional tariffs, either 25% or 15%, soon to drop down to 7.5% on almost everything out of China at this point. Very few items out of China don't have Section 301 tariffs. That was started as an intellectual property issue. I think it maybe expanded to more of a political thing, but that's, a personal viewpoint. And at this point, what we're seeing is one honest and one dishonest practice. The honest practice is people are finding ways to get suppliers who are based in other countries that are nearby for the same commodities. So Vietnam is one of those places. People who manufactured things in China previously are moving their manufacturing suppliers, well, not moving their suppliers, some of them are, but finding other sourcing in other countries nearby, such as Vietnam or Thailand or Taiwan, things like that. And what customs wants to make sure is not happening is the dishonest thing that I was referencing. And that's the fact that some people are just they're making it in China, and then they're shipping it to Vietnam, Taiwan, whatever, and then claiming that that's the country of origin. That is why customs is flagging more things out of Vietnam recently, especially because they want to make sure that that commodity was actually made in Vietnam. And then it's not just a situation where the factory was in China, they shipped it to Vietnam, and then the shipping address is what's being used for the country of origin. So they're going, I won't call it a little overzealous because it's completely fair to double check. But they're hitting that harder than a lot of other places because they know that that's a really common practice when something happens, like a new anti-dumping case hits. Suddenly people are looking for other sourcing and they try and find the most honest way to do it. But unfortunately, like I said earlier, everybody's human, and some people are not always interested in doing the honest thing. They just want to avoid paying the duties. And that's what ends up happening is something dishonest happens and someone starts claiming country of origin Vietnam when really it was just shipped through there.